tour guide, they wrap you up in this sarong, because you have to be covered to enter the temple. So this is my driver and my tour guide, and I have a number. There you are. You come to pay for your ticket. Everybody's waiting in line. So guys, this is the walk up to the temple. What's the name of the temple? Gate of, how do you say it in your language? Lempuyang?
Lempuyang temple.
It's pretty steep, look. He said this is... Oh. Thank you. It's pitch black. He picked me up at 3:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
I'm in the driver August. Ooh. Can't see nothing. What is that? Woo.
You're ready.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now they are calling all of the numbers. And everybody has to wait for the number to be called. Number 5, 6 o'clock. And then they tell you how to pose, or next pose rather. The locals also come here to pray. These are the people you see walking through the gate of heaven. And so basically all the tourists have to wait until they come through, which is right. You know, this is their place, this is their home, this is their culture, this is their religion. So we wait for them, and when they are done, then we go ahead and take our pictures. Photographer is tired, okay? He's like, make sure you are in the center. Everybody's waiting to go. I wore this dress because Tanisha told me that I had to show your skin to get to the temple. And they told me that I had to set me up. It's okay because I got plenty of scars. Plenty of scars. You just gotta make it easy for work. Tour guide just picked me up a hat. And they have to, if you come, make sure you wear a white top because they're gonna make you wrap up your skirt, and I didn't know that. So don't waste your good dress here. Just wear a white top. It's so beautiful.
Welcome to Bali.
Yes.
I'm a guide in Bali.
Yes.
I'm the driver, best driver. Yeah.
Oh wow. Is there a beach? Is that the beach over there? Steep it was to get up there. Insanity.